So hello everybody, good morning. Now I am on my roof now and here I am practicing my English. This is guava tree. This is guava tree. It's not our guava tree, it's our neighbors. But it's very close to our roof. Those are leaves. Those are leaves. Here we can see it's flower. It's flower. And here we can see some birds. Those are birds. And here you can see it's a very small and it's unripe. Now I can't eat because it's so small. When it will be when it will be perfect, then actually we can eat this. It's called branches. It's called branches. Now I am breaking this. It's a dry. It's dry branches. Now I have broken it. Okay, so that's the way you can make videos, you can practice your English. Definitely it will help you to improve your language very well. Okay, so bye, take care.